Hello mga ka-KKKs! Welcome back to our channel! Ayan, so today is our first day. Actually, officially first day. Kasi kahapon, late na kami dumating. So today is the official first day natin dito sa Cebu. Okay? Or Shangri-La Hotel sa Mactan, Cebu. Okay? So breakfast tayo. Na-try natin yung breakfast nila. So, here, they offer 2 breakfast buffet. At least dun sa accommodation na kinuha namin, which is yung King Sea View na room. So, there's 2 complimentary, complimentary breakfast for 2. And today, we will try yung sa Tides. Okay, so, meron din sa Aqua, pero mas konti yung selection. We will try naman yung Aqua on the next days para ma-compare din natin. Mas konti yung tao doon, sabi nila, pero mas maraming selection sa Tides. Okay? Pero before tayo mag-breakfast, yung breakfast nila mag-start, alam ko 6:30 or 6:30 siguro, and will last until 10:30, and it's just 8 o'clock. Yan. So for now, we will just show you ano yung view in the morning dito sa aming accommodation or dun sa room. Okay, pakita ko na. Taas na yung araw. So, ayun yung view. Mainit sa Cebu. Para ring Manila. Nice, no? Ganda. Morning Cebu, so we're going out for breakfast. It's 8:21. Breakfast. Ganda nung view dun sa taas. I'll have coffee.
For coffees, you have cappuccino, coffee latte.
I'll have block. Tingin lang muna ako. Section. egg. Nakalimutan ko sabihin na hindi masyadong masarap. Yung langgonisa, hindi masyado. Ano ako? Breakfast muna tayo. Yum.
Wait, I want one.
Oh, it's done. Okay, so ayun nga, nakapag-breakfast na kami, mga ka-KKKs. Ang dami namang selection actually, and yun naman talaga yung catch sa mga breakfast buffet. So, pili ka lang talaga ng kakainin mo dahil di mo naman makakain lahat yan, lalo na kung hindi ka sanay sa heavy breakfast. In my case, hindi talaga ako sanay mag-breakfast. So, usually nga, ano lang ako, tea, matcha, and one boiled egg. And then, I can last until mga 2-3 p.m. sometimes even 4 p.m. na yung next meal ko. Okay? So, kaya medyo busog yung pakiramdam ko. Ang sarap actually, ang sarap nung mga dried fish nila, yung danggit panalo, tsaka yung dilis, and then also yung puset. Actually, nagsalad ako, tapos yun yung nilagay ko sa top. So, hindi siya maalat. And then malutong na malutong, crunchy. Kaya ang sarap. And then the rest, meron silang Japanese, pero konti lang yung selection sa Japanese, mga maki-maki lang. And then meron din silang of course salad station. Merong Filipino, yung mga Filipino food. Merong kids, may pasta din, ganyan. So, and variety of fruits, fresh fruits. And the usual Western meal. So, may Chinese din, like mga dim sum, yan, and a lot more. Egg station, pancakes, name it. Kung ano man yung gusto nyong breakfast. Just like what you usually see sa mga 5-star hotel breakfast buffet, meron sila. And yung para sa akin, yung winner is actually yung danggit, yung dried na, ay yung squid, and also yung dilis. Kulang na lang champurado. Sana bukas may champurado. Kaya lang baka itry namin sa other restaurant naman mag-breakfast bukas. Okay? So far, so good. So, ilang star? 5 star! Ayan. So, tama. So far, we're enjoying our stay here in Shangri-La, Cebu, Mactan. Okay? So, until our next vlog, so, papakita naman namin sa inyo sa susunod na vlog yung mga iba pang selection or iba pang restaurants. Kung kagabi nakatry ako, doon ako nag-dinner sa Aqua. Medyo on the pricey side. But that's typical naman. Actually, sa 5-star hotel. Nag-isa lang ako, naka-2-1 ako eh. Yun. So, and Italian. Masarap, kung masarap, pero it's a bit expensive. Okay? And siguro that's all muna for this vlog. I'll upload another one na lang for the other restaurants, yung review natin sa other restaurants. But for now, yun muna. Thank you so much for watching our video, and if you enjoy our video for today, please consider subscribing to our channel. So nagpapadami kami ng subscribers, sana mag-subscribe po kayo. And also, click like and share our video. And if you want to get notified, pag may mga bago kaming upload na video rather, click yung notification bell. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!